Now at 6, more earthquakes are rattling the basin. There have been at least 2 in the last several days. Good evening, I'm Madeline Bierster.
And I'm Carson Bush-Jost. ABC Big 2's Matt Fonts joins us now in Gardendale live.
Matt, this community is now joining the ongoing list of areas in the basin to experience an earthquake.
Yeah, guys, it feels like almost every week we're hearing about a new earthquake here in the basin, and now the people of Gardendale are feeling the effects.
With a number of earthquakes affecting the Permian Basin lately, yet another one has been recorded in the past 24 hours. Locals in the Gardendale area who felt the 3.2 magnitude quake say it can be somewhat frightening.
It's a little nerve-wracking, yes. You know, I as a homeowner, I don't want no structure damages on my house.
Daniel Luavano explains that even though the earthquake was fairly short-lived, there's no doubt you could hear and feel it.
I could hear it rumbling like maybe a few seconds right before. Sounded like a truck, semi-truck was going by or heavy equipment was rolling by. And next thing I know, I felt the shaking. And just as I heard the rumbling, that's how quick it went away.
The potential damage causes some concern when these earthquakes do hit. Fortunately, not many people are experiencing any lasting effects from the quakes.
No damages or nothing. I just felt the house rattle and that's about it.
Juan Barzo says when the house does start to rattle, his advice, just ride it out.
Just ride it out really, because I don't think we haven't got too big of an earthquake to be scared of. I just think you just ride it out and enjoy it. That's what I did.
And although most of the earthquakes that do hit the basin are fairly short and quick, if there's ever a longer one,
if it's around for a while, just I know I got trained younger to go under a desk or go under a solid piece of furniture and just brace your head, grab a pillow, put it over your head and just brace.
Now, in the past 365 days, there have been a total of 256 earthquakes reported here in the basin, and that number will only continue to rise. Live in Gardendale, Matt Fonts, ABC Big 2 News.
All right, thank you, Matt. Well, to get notifications